So we ask Almighty Allah to please give him the rest in peace in the graveyard. May Almighty Allah forgive him his sin. May Almighty Allah accept him into the paradise. Inshallah, by the grace of Almighty Allah. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. ربنا عليك توكلنا وإليك أنبنا وإليك المصير. Inshallah, right now, the next one is to pray over him, okay, accordingly. So this is the recommendation of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So it's our duty to do that, and we ask Almighty Allah to please board him into paradise.